Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I know I haven't made a video in a while, but I had to stop for a little bit because I really have to focus on school. But since this semester is a little more laid back, I'm back and I'm ready to make you guys more videos. What this video is basically about is things that I learned that helped me through my transition that hopefully will help you through your transition, or pretty much just help you in general with your curly hair. I just want to make a disclaimer and say that I am not an all-knowing hair guru. I barely know my own hair, but these are things that I have researched and I've seen videos of people talking about, and I've seen that they either work or that they're just true. These things are pretty much common sense in the sense that when you hear it, it'll make sense, but you might not know them already. So the first thing is about dryness. Before I started my transition, I thought I just had dry curly hair. I didn't know my hair was dry because I have curly hair. If you have curly hair, 9 out of 10 times you're gonna have extremely dry hair. And the curlier your hair is, the drier your hair is gonna be. I never understood why my hair was always so dry, but my friends with straight hair were always complaining that their hair was super greasy all the time. That does depend on what you put in your hair and how you maintain your hair, but it mostly has to do with the fact that I have curly hair and they have straight hair. With straight hair, the oils from your head have pretty much a straight road down to the tips. So obviously people with straight hair are gonna have greasier hair than people with curly hair, and they're gonna get greasy hair more often than people with curly hair. With curly hair, it's a lot harder for the natural oils to go all the way down to your tips, which is why people might see that the roots are pretty moisturized, but then everything else is just really dry and brittle. This is why it's so important to moisturize your curly hair, whether it be with a moisturizer or with a conditioner or deep conditioning. Once I found that out, everything just kind of made sense as to why my hair was always super dry, and my friends were complaining of super oily hair all the time. The second thing is about shedding. I always see people with straight hair talk about how their hair is pretty much always falling out or shedding, but people with curly hair never have that problem. But then when you go in the shower and you do your hair, it feels like when you're detangling it, half of your hair comes out. That also has to do with the fact that they have straight hair and we have curly hair. With straight hair, when a hair strand wants to fall out, it just does. It sheds and it falls out and you can see it. With curly hair, when a hair strand wants to fall out, it falls out, but it gets stuck in your hair because curly hair likes to pretty much grab onto whatever it can. When you go and detangle your hair, it seems like all your hair is falling out, but in reality, that was all shed hair that you're finally able to take out. Since people with curly hair don't usually brush their hair every day as opposed to someone with straight hair, people with straight hair see the shedding gradually at a smaller amount, while we see it all at once when we have our wash days. Knowing that calmed my nerves so much because I thought that my hair was breaking and that it was falling off, but it was just completely natural. The last thing has to do with manipulation. When I first started my transition, I would do my hair every single day. It means every day I would hop in the shower, I would wash out all of the product that I had used the day before, hop out, then style my hair every single day. And I couldn't understand why my hair wasn't growing. I couldn't understand why my styles weren't lasting, and it had to do with the fact that I was doing my hair every single day. With curly hair, it's a given that it's a hassle. With curly hair, you can't manipulate it too much or it'll break, but you can't neglect it either because it'll break. What I like to do is, if I'm not going anywhere, my hair is staying up. The only time my hair is down is if I'm going out somewhere. I also learned that one of the reasons why your hair might not grow past your shoulders is because of all the friction of your hair against your shirt. So the more you keep your hair away from your shirts, the less friction there will be and the more your hair will grow. I love having my hair down, but after I found that out, if it doesn't need to be down, it's not gonna be down. Those are the 3 big things that I've learned throughout my journey that I still take into account now when it comes to my hair. Hopefully you learn something, hopefully you take something away, hopefully it'll help you with your curly hair and your curly hair journey. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. While you're at it, go ahead and hit the bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video, which I promise will be soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!